We can laugh, ha-ha. We can sing, la-la-la-la. We can make anything. Hold my hand, make a magical land.
When let us get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks? Alphablocks!
Cracked it! I can crack the earth, I can crack the ground. Is my cracking sound, 'cause when I stamp my foot, crazy cracks appear. Is my sound, that's clear.
I got kicking feet, I love to kick a ball. Best sound of all, I'm the king of kicking in my football kit. Is my sound, that's it.
You can't make the same sound as me.
It's the only sound I make. I'm keen to keep it.
Copycat.
Not kind.
I can crack the earth, I can crack the ground.
I've got kicking feet, I kick a ball around. It's my sound.
Can you do this? Come in, A and T. My favourite pet is a cat. It needs a hat. P.
I just popped in.
Now let's give it a cap. That's worth a clap. Is the sound that I make, it's the sound that is me.
Kitties are okay, but I-D.
It's me.
My favourite pet is a kid. A kid is a baby goat. Meet Sid.
Cute.
I'll dress him up in a kit. A football kit. It's a perfect fit.
It is cool.
Is the sound that I make, it's the sound that is me.
I can make custard and carrots too.
I can play keyboard and do kung fu.
I'll build a castle.
But I've got the key.
I'll be a clown.
For the king, that's me.
I'm there in candle and cup. Are you?
I'm in koala and kangaroo.
Cucumber?
Ketchup.
Comic.
Kazoo. Ah!
You make different words.
You like different things.
I'm C.
And I'm K.
And I think that I can say you're not me. Hear it in the air. Is the sound we share, but we use it in very different ways. And maybe that's
Okay. I don't understand why I felt so upset. Kites.
I've learned something new I can never forget. Colours! We like different things.
We make different words. We both sound the same, yes,
but now we have heard
there's room for us both, and we finally see, in spite of our differences, we can agree. You're not me.
My letter is curved like a curl.
And mine has a little leg kicking out, like me. Though we sound the same, we're different letters with different names.
I'm C.
And I'm K.